Okay, good morning to all my audience. Today, before I start, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Dicarlos Philip, and I'm going to talk about slurry infiltrated fiber concrete or SIFCON. Why I use this topic? So now we are on act. You are my audience, is my boss. I am a new fresh graduate engineer. So I want to introduce my new product to our company so we can sell it with high profit. Okay. The definition of SIFCON. It is an advanced material and high performance concrete and can be considered a special type of steel fiber reinforced concrete according to Dr. Navindra E.R. Badam Sundarao. To make it easy, SIFCON, I define it one by one. Slurry, as we all know, since we all are from civil engineering, slurry is referring to the wet concrete, the early stage of concrete that is still in watery phase. Infiltrated means, what it means by infiltrated in this topic is something has been put, alien things had been mixed to the concrete. That's what it's meant by infiltrated, and it's infiltrated by fiber. Fiber that I use in this mix is not fiber from vegetable, but it's come from coconut, carpet fiber, and also from steel. Steel fiber that has been cut small pieces. Steel that is put out small like this lot, and like a thread. Okay, and everyone know what is concrete. Concrete is a mix of water, aggregate, cement. So basically, slurry concrete, SIFCON is a slurry concrete or wet concrete that has been mixed with fiber. That's the general idea. Okay. The properties of SIFCON. It have a high strength. We all know strength has a high compressive strength. Concrete has a strong compressive strength when it but when it put like this, this is column and this is beam. Okay, when put like this, it is been proved that concrete have lower strength in tensile. So when load is applied over here, this will bend like this, even though it has a reinforced bar. And when it bends, it will produce some small crack that we call micro crack. What it means by high strength in my product is when we put fiber, it will increase the strength in tensile. So the bend of the beam will be reduced and the crack, micro crack, will be minimized due to strong bonding between concrete and fiber. It has large ductility, which means it has improved in their resistance due to crack, and also and also the resistance to impact. A continuous beam, a beam will continuously have load. when we construct a structure like this. The upper part of this structure will contribute continuous load for this beam. So over time, it will cause the beam to split like this. But with the help of fiber, we can reduce the splitting to the most minimum. Also, if sudden load or extra load, such as accident, occur to the structure, the normal concrete this is normal and this is a product. Siphon. Okay. If a normal concrete have been exposed to sudden impact, it will cause large crack, right? But and it will split into. But with the help of the fiber, this crack will be reduced. Sudden impact. So it shows that fiber has improved the resistance of loading toward the concrete. Why? We need to sell this product because siphon possesses excellent durability, energy absorption, impact and abrasion resistance, and toughness, like I've been told you before. But on the DRS, it has high modulus of elasticity compared to normal concrete. Siphon, it's with high ductility, same as before. Limitation of SFRC. SFRC is a slurry fiber. It's for steel fiber. It's another name for siphon. It's never steel fiber. It increase the fiber volume to overcome by siphon because this fiber element. SFRC is used to SFRC is a steel fiber that is being used as a fiber in siphon. So it will increase the volume whenever a metal has volume. It will overcome a lot of loading. So the deflection for siphon will be very less compared to conventional and egg distributed loading. It shows that volume is directly proportional to deflection. So the graph will be like this. If with siphon, without siphon, the volume of concrete is volume of plain concrete is less compared to volume of siphon. Why? Because volume of siphon has extra ingredient inside it. That's why it has increased. Actually, drastic increase in volume. That's why it will reduce the deflection of the concrete. Of course, everything was made are not perfect. Swiftcon has its disadvantage, but the disadvantage is only occur in preparing the product, but with the right amount of this fiber, the disadvantage of Swiftcon can be minimized. So for that disadvantage, we will continue in next season. Thank you.